I don't expect you to reach agreements on everything in mediation. And that's part of the point. This is going to be an ongoing conversation about every issue, and you may not reach agreement at first. But we are going to be working together over a period of months, and I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve. I have done a lot of studying on mediation techniques, how to diffuse conflict, and I have a lot of legal experience. I have a lot of ideas about how to resolve your case. So if there is no idea that mom or dad can come up with as to how we can solve this parenting problem, I have some ideas. And I might be able to come up with some solutions that could be the perfect solution for you and your spouse. So let's go through, let's talk things out. Let's talk about your values, your concerns, and your objectives. What are the interests behind what you're looking for? And I can come up with something that will probably suit your needs. But we need to go through the process, we need to hear from both parties, and then we can come up with it. I have spent hundreds of hours learning the law, learning how to work with people, and just spending time mediating. So I have worked with parties, and I am not afraid of your conflict. Your conflict is what I expect, and it's just what I know. So we're going to work through it, and we're going to find a resolution. And in the event, just to be really straight with you, if you don't settle something, if you settle 9 issues, but the 10th issue you cannot settle, you could go to court. And I could tell you what will likely happen if you go to court. And based on that information, a lot of people say, okay, if that's what the law is, then I'm actually going to settle this issue because it's not worth it to me to spend another $10,000 to have a judge I don't know determine that for me. And a lot of these issues, because we are in a community property state in California, we know how things are going to play out in court. So it can be pretty clear. So we can go through the process and finally reach resolution most of the time through regular mediation. But if necessary, I can let you know what the law is. I can encourage you to talk to your independent attorneys and get advice on these certain things. And most people recognize that settling is going to be the best option for them.